Hello everybody, we'll show you the stupid cat's move. Aha! See how crazy and she's acting she wanted the wood.
And the wood is outside.
She's bored. She's now taking...
Look at the other cat!
Look, she's angry also, this stupid cat. Oh my god.
Ah.
Oh, look again! Candy's trying to take the wood. Oh my god. Candy's also taking a plan.
Oh, she went. I think so. Look at that.
Candy, don't be scared. Candy? Hello, Candy. Candy went. Maybe scared. Okay, look. Oh, you can't see it. Okay. This cat she's stupid, like a fool. See, she's only sleeping. She don't have to do something. She just want to sleep. Candy came! Candy came! Woohoo! Candy! See? I think Candy will try to take the wood again. See, Candy. You can see her. Candy! Woohoo! Candy's awesome. I like this cat. It's my cat. It's called Candy. Woohoo! She likes to play this game.
She likes to dance it.
Yeah, she likes to...
Papa-doo, papa-doo.
See, Candy's bored. Candy! Woohoo! Candy. Look at Candy.
Candy's cute. Yeah, and Robin, what's your name? Oh yeah, right, Robin. Hello, Candy.
Candy! Okay, Candy's scared. Okay, look. Okay, finish. Okay, thanks for watching and bye.